What is electrochemical cell? Electrochemical cell, also known as galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Galvanic cell is a physical setup which converts the chemical energy into electrical energy, that is electricity. Here indirect spontaneous redox reaction is occur. Redox reaction means both the oxidation reaction and reduction reactions are occur. For example, our battery works based on the principle of galvanic cell. Inside battery, chemical is present which converts into electrical energy. Daniel cell is an example for galvanic cell. To understand this, take zinc sulfate aqueous solution in one container, and here you dip zinc rod, which is called as electrode. Take aqueous copper sulfate solution in another container. Here you dip copper rod, which is called as electrodes. Both the electrodes are connected through some conducting wire. Here you connect any bulb, so this bulb tells about the flow of current. Here we observe that zinc is oxidized, that means it loses 2 electrons. These 2 electrons goes into the zinc rod and ants or fall into the solution. These 2 electrons slowly travels through the conducting wire. Here spontaneous reaction is occur. In copper sulfate solution, copper ions are present. This copper plus 2 ions gains these 2 electrons and sticks to copper rod. Here reduction reaction is occur. In zinc rod, negative charge is developed. Negatively charged electrode called anode. In copper rod, positive charge is developed. Positively charged electrode called cathode. Current flow from positive to negative, but electrons flow from negative to positive. Flow of electrons are opposite to flow of current. This construction called galvanic cell. But particular cell is called as Daniel cell because zinc and copper electrodes are used. These 2 cells we call it as half cells. Complete cell is called as half cell. Oxidation half cell is written in left hand side, and reduction half cell is written as right hand side. But here one problem is arises. What is that problem? During oxidation, electrons are goes into the zinc rod and Zn plus 2 ions are fall in solution. Further adding of Zn plus 2 ions in the solution, so positively charged is increase in the solution. So positive charge in the solution stops the outward flow of electrons. Coming to this side, during reduction, copper plus 2 goes into the copper rod. Further movement of copper plus 2 ions into the copper rod in the solution. SO4 minus 2 concentration is increases. Due to this, negative charge is increased into the solution. So negative charge in solution stops inward flow of electrons. So overall movement of electrons is decreases due to increasing the charge of solutions. To avoid this problem, use salt bridge. A salt bridge is a inverted U-shaped glass tube which is filled with KCl or KNO3 or NH4NO3 in agar gel. In this salt bridge, Cl minus ions are goes to oxidation half cell and K plus ions goes to reduction half cell. So here positive charge is neutralized and here negative charge is neutralized. Coming to functions of salt bridge, it maintains the electrical neutrality of solutions of 2 half cells by transporting ions. It connects the 2 half cells internally. Coming to cell representation, both sides metals and metals ions are separated by single slash. Always write left oxidation half cell and right hand side write reduction half cell reduction half cell. Both half cells are separated by double slash, that is salt bridge. Next, coming to cell reaction, this is the half cell reaction. In this cell reaction, number of electrons get cancels. Now combine both the reaction, so overall reaction is called as cell reaction.